Have you ever heard a bell ring when there's no bell to be found? I'll never forget what I saw that night. The village had long abandoned the creaky church on the hill, claiming it housed dark secrets. Yet the bell tower stood, defiant against time and reason. It was a night like any other when I decided to explore the ruins. As I approached, a heavy fog rolled in, cloaking everything in an eerie silence. Then I heard it, a somber tolling resonating through the air, though the bell had been removed decades ago. My heart pounded, each beat urging me to turn back, but curiosity anchored my feet. Inside, the air was thick with the scent of decay. The pews lay shattered, and the altar was covered in a thick layer of dust. Suddenly, a shadow flitted across the wall, and I froze. It wasn't mine. The bell rang again, louder this time, reverberating through my bones. I stumbled backward, my eyes catching a flicker of movement near the altar. A figure, draped in tattered robes, emerged from the darkness, its face obscured, but its presence unmistakable. I fled, the tolling echoing in my ears long after I escaped. To this day, I wonder what I witnessed and why the bell still rings. It's still out there, waiting for another to hear its call.